guys, welcome to Programming Minds. In last video, we understood how to implement two-dimensional array using C++ programming language. Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn what is stack. So let's get started. Stack is linear data structure. It works on last in, first out, which is LIFO, or first in, last out, which is FILO method. It behaves like real world stack. So we have examples, stack of books and stack of plates. So let's understand what is last in first out or first in last out. Okay. So our first example is stack of books. So we have the image of stack of books here, and as per last in first out method, we can remove the last book at first and first in last out method. So which book we have kept first, we can remove it at the last. So this is the basic definition of stack. So we have second example, stack of plates. So we can see the stack of plates here, and the plate at top we can remove the first, and plate at bottom we can remove it at last. So the plate at top we have added it at the last, so we can remove the last item first and we can remove the first item last. Okay, so this is the basic definition of stack, and stack works on that two methods. Let's understand the different operations we can perform on stack. Stack operations: push or insert operation. So by using push operation we can add new element on the top of stack. Pop or remove operation. So by using this pop operation we can remove element from the top of a stack. Is empty operation. So by is empty operation we can check if stack is empty or not. Is full operation. So by is full operation we can check stack is full or not. Pick operation. So by using pick operation we can access element at the top of a stack. Count operation. So by using count operation we can get the total number of elements in the stack. Okay, so these are the basic operations we can perform on stack, and we will see that implementation of that operations in the next video. Okay, so let's check the visual representation of stack. So this is the visual representation of different stack operations, where we have the operations like is empty, push operation, is full operation, pop operation and pick operation. So let's understand is empty operation. So we have empty stack here. That's why our is empty operation is true, and there is no element in the stack. So as I have shown here, we have the push or insert operation mentioned here, and we have added the 10 at 0th index, which is at bottom, and we have added 20 at the top. So we can add new element at the top of the stack. Okay, so this is the is full operation, which I have mentioned true because we have the limit of 5 elements in that stack, and we have added 5 elements. So last element is at 4th index and it is 50, and we can perform peak operation here also, we can perform it here also, and we can check the element at top by using peak operation. So this stack is full now. And last one is pop operation, or we can say it as a remove operation, where we can remove the item from top only. Okay, we can remove we can't remove the item from 0th position or 2nd position because it is stack. We can remove the item only from the top. So yeah, this was the all operations we can perform on stack using C++ programming language, or we can use any programming language, but we will see the implementation of stack operations using C++ programming language in the next video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the Programming Minds YouTube channel. Thank you.